Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how can you redeem codes in AFK Journey. So first of all, I don't have AFK Journey installed on my system, but still I will guide you through. So first of all, you have to open up the application or the game. Once you have logged in, you have to click on your profile icon. Then you have to click on your settings. Now in your settings, you have to go to the others section. Over there, you will see an option that will say redeem code. So now you very simply have to paste the redemption code that you want to redeem and then click on the option that says redeem. After that, you will be able to easily collect the reward that you want to receive from that redemption code. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.